Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like making money, click subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Today we're going to do a little market update. I'm going to go over gold and silver, go over some of these charts just to give you an update. They are looking a little bit better, looking positive, so I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in this market update. So here's gold. Here's our trend line. It's sitting right on the trend line, and what I do like is we've got this momentum was large and it had to be worked off. That's why we've got all these little down days and contractions. This is a fight between the buyers and the sellers. The sellers said, hey, look, we're going to bring this thing down, but the buyers answered and gave a nice big wick on the bottom here. I think this could potentially be a good time to pick up shares right now because we're sitting on this line, this trend line. We've got a hammer right here. And I like that the momentum has shifted today and is moving to the upside. So I think gold's looking actually pretty good. Silver's experiencing the same thing. So we're getting confluence here. We've got this big down day. Buyers going in, sellers, and then the buyers answered back with a hammer. Got this wick on the bottom. I think this is going to go to the upside looking at the daily candlesticks here. Here's SILJ. We're right at that downtrend line, so it's not too bad. Same with GDXJ. So I would say let's cost average in a little bit here. Now switching gears to uranium. Looks like we had another pullback here, and we're right at the bottom. We're kind of forming this little pattern here. Perhaps we come back and touch this. Maybe this is like a shoulder and then another shoulder. I don't know. It's kind of a funky looking pattern here. But it does have a little wick on the bottom here. This doesn't look too bad. And some of the companies I'm seeing a mixture of some are going up, some are going down, some look good, some look like they're pulling back in the uranium sector. So overall, keep cost averaging in. I think we're okay. On a weekly basis, looks pretty good. The daily basis just has to work its way out and to move on up, I think. So some of the companies look good. Some of them just have to put in a little bit more work. This is ACB. Aurora Cannabis. I know a lot of people don't like this company, but technical wise, this is right here, back testing. It's probably going to go on up. That's what I see. So that's what I have there. I'm going to yank up my chart here. So again, let's take a look at my portfolio in Yahoo Finance. So today I was up a total gain of 7.31%. Holy crap. I didn't expect this. I don't know. Okay. Looks like. So today I was up. I was up 2% today. Total gain of 7.31. We had Norilsk up. Reconnaissance was up 14.3%. Encore was up. Hecla looks like Sky Harbor was down quite a bit. And Centennial Development. MCF, way to go, 8.5%. We're up 32% for MCF since I purchased it. TEL was up 21.6%. That's a big boy. I think Grand Tierra Energy is a very good one to start looking into and entering if you're not in it already. So that one's looking pretty good. EMX is looking good. If I just click in these charts real quick to show you, EMX is looking very good if you want to enter a company that's looking pretty good from a chart perspective. Sorry. GTE, so this is a continuation pattern completely. So whenever you see these big moves higher and then you see these little pullbacks like this, see how you have a big move higher and then it kind of pulls back sideways? That's a continuation pattern to the upside. So that's looking very good. So that's GTE. MCF, that one's looking pretty good. We've got this nice bullish cross here, the 50 days cross and the 200-day. We also broke out of that gigantic pattern to the downside. So MCF is looking very good. Looking back at my portfolio here, NGF, that's another company, a little more risky. It's an Explorer, Silver Explorer. This one's looking very good. I think this might be a good one to add a little bit of money into if you don't have it or if you like it. I mean, check out the companies. This is not advice. I'm telling you what I would do with my hypothetical portfolio. So I think it looks pretty good. Going up, one company, FSM, looked like it was kind of pulling back. I'd like to see this momentum get worked off. Tomorrow I want to see a day that looks like a big wick on the bottom, like a hammer that we saw in silver and gold today, or a bullish engulfing or bullish piercing. That's what I'd like to see. If I see that, these are game on. They're going to be very good stock picks. TEUTF, that one looked like it was a good position right down here. That looks pretty good with the bullish engulfing. We have this big move up and then the contraction back inside of it. That looks very good for a potential move upward. So I'm really liking some of these companies and how they're looking from the gold and silver perspective. I saw that Ely Gold looked like that thing had a huge, it looked like it was going to run and then it came back down. I think we just need gold and silver to take off and these things will follow. So we're looking pretty good. Just look at Mosaic. Mosaic looks like it might pull back a teeny bit. And then let's look at Reconnaissance Energy. I probably wouldn't be diving into that right now. That's gone up quite a bit. So I think the gold and silver sector looks pretty good. That might be a spot to look into. I think that looks excellent. So this is the market update. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I think things are turning around for gold and silver. So it looks pretty good. And I think we're clear. Hopefully we're clearing over the next couple of days. We'll see this thing kind of just start rocketing higher, hopefully. So that's what I've got. Thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.